In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and disable Copilot Form Fill Assistance in Dynamics 365. We'll begin by looking at how to use Copilot Form Fill Assistance to make data entry faster and more efficient when you're working in a model-driven app. This feature is designed to help by suggesting text based on the information already available in the system, along with the context of the record you're working on. To get started, open your Dynamics 365 model-driven app and go to a form where you want to create a new record or edit an existing one. This could be something like an account form, a lead form, or another supported record type in your environment. Once you're on the form, click into a compatible field where Copilot Form Fill Assistance is available. When you select that field, watch for the Copilot icon or for automated text suggestions to appear directly in the field. These suggestions are generated using your previous entries, the context of the current form, and related data from the system. This can be especially useful when you're entering repetitive information or when you want to save time without manually typing every detail from scratch. Before accepting anything, take a moment to review the suggested text carefully. Even though Copilot is designed to be helpful, it's always a good idea to confirm that the suggestion matches what you want to enter for that specific record. Accuracy is still important, especially when you're updating customer or business data. If the suggestion looks correct, you can accept it by pressing the Tab key on your keyboard or by clicking the check mark next to the field. If the suggestion isn't right, you don't need to do anything complicated. You can simply type over the suggested text to reject it and enter your own content instead. Now let's switch over to the administrative side. If your organization decides not to use this feature, an administrator can disable it in the environment settings. To do that, open the Power Platform Admin Center and select the active Dynamics 365 environment you want to manage. From there, click Settings in the top toolbar, expand the Product drop-down menu, and then select Features. On the Features page, locate the Copilot section and find the toggle labeled Form Fill Assistance. Switch that toggle to off. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save to apply the change. That's all it takes to use Copilot Form Fill Assistance for faster entry, or to turn it off if your team prefers a more manual workflow. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you work more confidently in Dynamics 365.